Hello Taurians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you from July 10th to July 20th. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's get started. So let's see what are the messages from this deck. Okay. Guidance from the angels for Taurians. I want to take one more card from this deck. I'll just take that. Okay, yeah. Same message has come out twice. Message from the universe. Wow, cards are jumping for you, Taurians. So, what I am getting here is that there was a situation in your life in which things were very stuck. Okay, things were just not moving forward, and perhaps because of the fact that it had been a long time that things were not moving forward, you were feeling stuck. So as soon as you got an opportunity, or you saw something, or you got an idea, whatever it was, you couldn't resist yourself. Okay, so it is because of, it feels like a reaction to this stagnant situation, or a reaction to something which was just not happening in your life, that the moment you felt, you got the slightest clue of it happening, or it may happen, the moment you saw the hope, the moment you saw the glimpse of, yeah, something is there, you just rushed in. So this is just the opposite energy. So this was something which was just not happening in whatever field it may be in your life. So the moment you saw a spark, or the moment you saw the slightest opportunity, or whatever it is, you just rushed in without even thinking anything. Okay, you didn't take a moment, and you were just so desperate. It is talking about a desperate energy. You were so desperate because of this stagnation that you said, okay, whatever it is, I just have to go it, I just want it. It's something like that. And you did not even think of the pros and cons. You crossed all the obstacles, didn't listen to anyone, didn't listen to you didn't give that time to yourself also to take a pause and think as to, should I do it, or shouldn't I? Okay, so it is a desperate attempt to just get it. Okay, and in the pursuit of this desperate attempt to get it, because of the reaction to the things just not happening, something has gone somewhere wrong, that this is the consequence, that it didn't turn out well. Okay, so it is just a totally shattered energy. Totally, you feel left out, you feel ignored. It think whatever this thing was, it didn't materialize, whatever it was for you. Okay, and then you do try to pick up some hope. You do try to see, make a balance move this time. And in this, with the Page of Pentacles, you are trying to make a small beginning this time. You are not rushing in. You have something in your, you have somebody or some opportunity, whatever it is in your life, and yeah, I have one more thing to go. But the thing is that this time you're not rushing, and you are taking small steps. So it is something small, a small step or a small proposal. It can be anything, a small opportunity. The thing is, whatever it is, you are taking small and steady steps this time, because you have already been sort of wounded. You feel hurt. You don't want to repeat the same mistake, and you are trying to balance the situation this time. So you are going slow, you are balancing the situation, you are thinking of the pros and cons this time, and you don't want to mm, you don't want that bad experience once again. It's something like that. Okay, and here with the Wheel of Fortune, things are changing. Definitely things are moving for the better in your life. And whatever this opportunity is, this time what I'm getting here is, you are trying to have a clearer picture of it. You are in a pause mode. You are thinking. You are this time you are trying to have a clearer insight as to, should I do, should I not. You are trying to have a clearer view of the picture, and then you are trying to make a decision. So this is, you are waiting. This is the wait, which is good. Okay, that's what I feel. Okay, it's not that you are not going towards that direction. You are moving in, but sensibly this time. And here with the King of Cups, what I feel here is, this is again about emotional maturity. What I feel is, this time you are thinking practically, not emotionally. You're thinking rationally. That's what you are doing, thinking rationally and then making a move this time, whatever this new thing is for you. And here with both these cards, it is, you are dealing with somebody here, whosoever it is, or you were dealing with somebody who is an equal counterpart. It is a struggle of staying ahead, dealing with a difficult opponent, whosoever this situation is. Okay, so maybe this King of Cups is talking about the person you are dealing with. It can be this also, that maybe you are dealing with someone who is very, very sensible and has an equal opponent type of energy. Okay, and so that is why you are thinking this time. Or because it can be you also, because this is how you have graduated, this is how you have developed yourself after this setback you have suffered. So now it is, you are dealing with an equal counterpart. But whosoever it is, the guidance which is coming here is that you should be careful. You should be careful of whatever, whosoever you are dealing with. Okay, this person, whosoever you are dealing with, or if it is a situation you are dealing with, this is a situation the things won't just happen easily. So it's better for you to think and then take decisions in this situation. 10 of action. You are working too hard. The angels are asking you to find a healthy balance between your career and your personal life. Be willing to ask for help from others in order to lighten your load, so that you can take better care of yourself. Straining to make others happy can be harmful to yourself. So for some of you, it can be that this is this difficult opponent and struggle. It can be between your personal life and your work life. It can be this also. Maybe you are struggling to make a balance between both of them. So if it is that, then you need to sort it out. Number 50 or number 5 may be of some significance for you. Consider your foundation. Look how committed you are to love. So basically, again, this is a guidance that this is how you are supposed to move ahead. Think of the foundation. Think of the consequences. Think of what you actually want and what is your goal. And once you have solid foundations, and solid foundation will obviously come from the fact that you are thinking about it analytically, and that's what you are doing. So Taurus, whatever it is, in whichever direction you are making a move this time, it is well planned, well thought of. So I think this time you'll be able to make a correct decision. So, and if you're not doing that, that is the guidance for you, that is what you need to do in whatever situation you are dealing with. Don't rush in towards anything. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.